When I think about Heritage Month, I think about my lineage. I think about my roots. I think about my culture, the traditions. I think about everything that my forefathers went through. And I think about everything that they have instilled in me.
It's really finding the beauty about our cultures and our customs. So Heritage Month is a great time for me to sort of focus on those aspects of where I come from.
It's all about remembering where we come from. It's all about celebration of who we are and really just looking back to our roots.
South Africa is very tumultuous right now. I'm hoping that we can remember that welcoming spirit that we are known for as Africans.
Heritage Month for me is very important because I'm always reminded that I'm not alone. I'm always reminded that I come from a people who had goodness, who suffered for me. And because they suffered and were resilient, I therefore have the opportunities that I have, you know, and so I can hold my head high because I know that I come from a people who are strong.
Painting these 4 artists right now, it meant a great deal to me. These are artists who really speak to me because their music comes from their souls. I wanted people who pass by to, even not hearing the music, but just looking at them to want to hear the music and to want to hear what it is that they have to say, and for them to be touched by the stories that they have to tell.
For a moment, you know what I mean, I thought I was dreaming, and never in a million years, I thought I would be just standing there in that beautiful painting, and let alone standing with people that I've looked up to all my whole entire life.
It's quite an honor to be celebrated by your country and the industry.
Big props to the artist, Bongs, who did an amazing piece, and just in awe of his talent.
Everything that is good about South Africa is still in South Africa. Every single thing that is good about this country, humanity, Ubuntu, we are still those people. We are still those people who want to lift each other.
Maybe when we come back, after that month, we will now remember what we mean to each other. So that's what I'm hoping for. A lot more gentleness for ourselves and for others.